Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to do column customization of an NSTableView in native macOS application to show or hide that particular column. So here you can see I have this sample app which is using NSTableView. Now if I right click on any of this column, here you can see I'm getting presented with all this menu. So suppose if I click on this hide name, the name would automatically get hidden for me. So Apple provides us an API for this, so we don't have to worry about it. If I right click again and if I just select this, instead of hide category, if I select this, here you can see category was hidden. If I right click again, if I click on category, then category would show up. Hopefully you got an idea of what I'm trying to say. So let's see how to do this. I have already made a video on how to display an NSTableView, so I won't go in that detail. I have just created a native macOS application using Swift. I am using AppKit, but if you want you can use Swift UI as well. So here I have created our NSTableView as well as NSScrollView. Here we are setting up our table view and constraints. So here these are all the columns. Here we are setting up our columns. Here I am just assigning the delegate and data source. Here we create our NSTable header view. Then we assign our table view to scroll views document view. Then here we just set up scrolling as well as the border and just add our scroll view to our parent view. Here we set up constraints for our scroll view. Then we just extend this NSTableView as well as NSTableView data source. I'll come back to this method later on because this is the important method. So here I'm just displaying the number of rows. Here I'm displaying data inside our table view. So I'll simply scroll through this. Okay, so pretty simple stuff. Next, coming back to this particular method, so this particular method of user can change visibility helps us to display a particular column or hide a column based on what the user has selected. So here you can see I'm just overriding this method and returning it as true. That's why it is allowing me to hide or show any type of a column, so all the columns which I had. But suppose instead of returning true, I don't want, so here I'm passing as name. Okay, so here you can see one of my column names name is name. So if I now run the application, let's see what happens. So if I now right click, here you can see it is not allowing me to hide my name column. So that's what the advantage of this is. So suppose if you don't want to hide a particular column, you can use something like this. But if you want to hide all the columns, then you can just return true and run your application, and it will allow you to hide all the columns or whatever column the user want. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.